Hey, get over here! Get off the ground! Do it now! Do it now! You're under arrest. You're under arrest.
Welcome back. Today, we are looking at a high-tension call that escalated quickly. Police arrived at a home to investigate a trespassing report. But things took a sharp turn when they discovered one of the women had an active warrant. In this video, we will analyze the suspect's behavior from her attempts to deflect blame to her medical claims during the arrest. Let's see how the officers handled this chaotic scene.
Okay. Yeah. So, but also, she's been harassing her too. So I thought.
Listen. I don't. Like I said, I don't really care about the dynamics of what's going on with that.
I just thought
the reason why we were here is because you and Stephanie were jumping the fence, and you have neighbors calling 911 saying there's some weird.
No, I felt like it was her though because she. Well, what about her trespassing? Because he'll tell you she was breaking, trying to get in the house.
Okay.
So it was just I don't know.
There is a male roommate here in this room. His name's Patrick.
Okay.
He's over here to the right. Patrick, come here real quick.
But he did tell you
And
that
they're
I was
saying
visiting
Stephanie's
you, right?
room's off here to the backside.
Okay, she's not here?
When we jumped over the fence to get away from, her because she was being crazy.
From who?
From the girl that was out front, and
Okay.
then
There's a girl
the
in that car
girl
over
because she
there.
was out front. She's been harassing her. So Steph kept going. She took off. This girl's been harassing her.
Okay.
I came in.
Where's Stephanie now?
I guess it's inside. She's inside.
In the house?
She's here now.
I guess. I don't
Do
know.
me a favor, so we could sort this all out. Can you have her come talk to us?
I'm gonna see.
Okay, I'm just gonna stick on her.
Hey.
Start running. Hey, get over here! Get off the ground! Do it now! Do it now! You're under arrest. You're under arrest.
So what?
You have a warrant.
So what?
Come on, what's wrong with you?
Are you serious? So what?
Relax.
Hey.
Stephanie, relax.
Bro, what?
You have a bench warrant. You didn't go to court. Relax. Not a big deal.
And that girl told on me out there, she hit me.
One in custody.
She hit me.
Good sir.
She hit me.
Stop. Eddie, 10, 12, 10, 15.
That girl and Becky came over here and hit me. Did you guys hear me? Did you guys hear me?
Hey, we're going to
Did you
figure it
guys
out,
hear me?
Steph.
She hit me.
Okay, we'll figure it out.
Okay, she came over
You
here
need to
and she
calm
hit me in
down.
my face.
Calm down.
She needs to go to jail.
Okay. You could tell everything that happened, but you need to calm down. Okay? You ran out the back. That's why
I was going outside to smoke.
No, you weren't.
Yes, I was.
No, you weren't.
Don't you see the marks on me?
Okay.
Don't you see the marks on me? Look at my legs.
You're up here.
She attacked me.
Okay.
She attacked me.
Did I not say
I
that?
am up there because she attacked me, bro. She attacked me. Look at my arm.
Okay. What else do you have?
Are you kidding?
What else do you have in
My
your
phone.
pocket?
Nikki, she attacked me.
What else?
Can we?
She attacked me. She's trying to kill me.
What's your name, ma'am?
Stephanie.
Can you please stop yelling?
No, man.
Sure.
Because she's trying to kill me. She came here trying to kill me.
Stephanie, please. Come on.
What the She's trying to kill me.
Take a seat.
I don't want to take a seat in the dark. I need air.
What?
I need air. I need air. Y'all tripping, man. Y'all tripping, man. I need air.
Who's that in the house? Who's your friend? I wanted to come get your necklace.
I need a cigarette or like, bro. I need
Okay.
a cigarette, please.
Can you ask nicely,
And
please?
yes, please. And my medication on top of that.
Hey, Stephanie,
Yes.
listen to me well.
I'm listening to you
I'm the
clearly.
custodian of this case.
Okay.
You do not call no shots here.
All right, I see that.
I'm letting you know
I
that
see
right now.
that. So what you want to do?
While you
So what you want to do?
You're not
So
getting
what
a
you want to?
cigarette.
You ain't gonna put your mother hands on me. I know that
You're not
much.
gonna get a cigarette.
I know. I'll go.
Put her in, let's go.
Man,
Put her in, let's go.
you on a power trip, man?
Hey,
You on a power trip, man? Y'all police. Oh, you're gonna put your hands on me, big man? Oh,
Stephanie.
you're gonna put your hands on me? Oh, okay.
Fine, relax.
Yes, as soon as fingers start touching me.
Hey.
Get off me. Get off me.
Relax.
Get off me. Get off me. Get off me. You
Stephanie.
dirty
Stephanie.
Bitch. Oh!
Don't catch it.
Oh, so you think you gonna beat me? Here? Oh, you mad? Huh? Oh, you mad? You big mad, ain't you? You big mad. Oh, you big mad.
Sit back.
Oh.
Sit back.
Nah, bro.
Stephanie.
Do your job.
Stop.
Do your job. I'll listen to you, but
Okay, well, look, then you want to listen to me?
yeah.
You better treat both them with respect. You need to calm the down. That's unnecessary. All right?
Let us.
I'm going to put these on, okay?
Yeah.
So, just relax. I need that foot.
Which foot?
This foot that's under you. Stephanie. Do the foot. Come on. I've been nice the whole time. Okay, take this leg out. Put them straight.
I feel like I'm having a heart attack, actually.
That's fine.
I feel like I'm having a heart attack.
Stop. Stop. Stephanie, what is wrong with you, dude? That's not what a seizure looks like, Stephanie. Come on. Stop. 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 You're done. You're done now. You're done. Stop.
So you just got yourself 3 for the week, bud.
Call songs. Call songs.
The situation becomes even more intense when she claims to be having a seizure. The officers remain skeptical but follow protocol by calling fire rescue. In these moments, police have to balance safety with the possibility of a suspect faking a medical emergency to avoid jail. Watch how her energy changes the moment she realizes the episode isn't getting her released.
That wasn't anything?
Because I prefer to speak to certain people. Yeah.
Okay, that's... How old are you?
Sorry.
How old are you?
Forget my age. I don't know.
Okay. Because my 9-month-old daughter acts like more of a person than you.
I'm 9 months old too.
Okay.
Well, I guess it would be.
You want to sit on your butt or you want to keep laying in the grass?
I would like to sit up, I guess, but I would like to see just this.
Okay.
Off of this girl that just
So if I sit you on your butt, you're going to act like a normal person?
Yes. Are you guys gonna listen to what I gotta say?
I was trying to the whole time. You started screaming.
Sir, because I apologize
It's okay.
to you, sir.
Okay,
But, like,
thank you.
But
I
like,
appreciate
listen, I'm just saying, I'm trying to be
Roll
heard,
on your
man.
butt.
I'm just
There
trying
you
to be
go.
heard, man. That's it.
Stephanie, I tried to hear you the whole time, and then you...
That's
I
not
don't know
how
what
you
that
get
was.
heard, okay?
I told you, Boca's here. They're here to try and listen to you. That's why we asked you to come out of the house.
Oh, this is not.
And then you threw that temper tantrum.
I'm actually like kind of hurt, to be honest with you.
You're what?
I'm kind of hurt, and I feel like I'm having like a seizure, dude.
Okay, well,
But the
I need my
ambulance is on the
medication
way.
from inside. It's not gonna work.
what's your medication? What do you take?
Oh my God,
What do you take and why?
My sister can get it. I take it 3 times a day. I'm gonna have a seizure. I'm telling you.
Okay, well, you
I'm
just
telling
faked
you.
a seizure.
And I did not fake a seizure. I did not fake a seizure. That's not fake, and that's on body camera. It's not fake. That's on body cam. So, and I have scratches all over my face from when y'all. I mean, this is crazy as
Yeah,
hell.
you got put on the ground because you're kicking
Because
us.
I'm seizing.
Because you're kicking
Because
us.
I'm seizing.
That was not
I
a
get put on the
seizure.
ground because I'm seizing because of a medical emergency. That's
Stephanie.
crazy to me. Again, that is crazy.
Stephanie, can you listen for a
Wow,
second?
that's crazy. I'm gonna. Oh God.
Stephanie.
Sir, can I put? Sir, I swear to God, I will calm down if I could please get my medication and
Okay.
take
I know,
2 hits of a cigarette,
listen for a
please.
sec?
I can, but can you
Fire
just?
rescue's on the way.
Okay, great. Can you?
Then you could get your medicine as soon as they clear you.
Can you guys please? I will be in a much nicer like.
I know, but can you just listen instead of talking?
Yeah, that's fine.
I'm
But
not
you
denying.
guys never listen
I'm not
to me.
denying that you have seizures.
Yeah.
But what just happened in there? That was
You
theatrics.
have your own opinion.
That was theatrics.
What'd I say?
You didn't even say anything.
I don't care. I don't want him near me, man. Get away from me, bruh. What's wrong with you, man?
Hey, you want a cigarette? You better start.
He ain't gonna be the one to give it to me. I don't give a goddamn. You need to back off from me, cuz.
He's one of the nicer
You,
ones out of us.
you forget I live here. I live here. Not in Boca, but I live here. I'll see you.
What does that mean?
It means I'll see him. I see all y'all around, man. I see all y'all around, and y'all treat us like
The threat?
there ain't no threat. Ain't no threat. If it was, I would say so. If it was, I would say so. Trust. Trust. Look at my background. Trust. 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 I'll say with my whole chest. Yeah, be for real now. Oh, your true self coming out now. Be for real. But you're letting that girl just drive away? Just drive away after she assaulted me?
Unfortunately, Stephanie, we're dealing with you.
Okay, but I'm saying she assaulted me, so I don't have due process here.
OKPD is here for that.
And she assaulted Nikki.
OKPD is here for that.
Okay, I'm just
and
saying.
Nikki's being very nice.
We're doing two different things.
Okay, she assaulted both of us.
Again, this is the part where you're not listening.
Yes,
We're
I
going
understand
with
it's
you.
for a warrant. Yeah, I got it.
Okay, and Boca is dealing with that case.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay,
Well,
so
where's Boca? I don't see Boca.
They're talking
There's
to your
two
friend.
cars right there. There's
Yeah,
one.
there's actually three of them.
three. There's three cars.
That was-
There's one right there. There's one to the right of this Durango, and then there's one right in front of you. There's three Boca cars here right now.
Well, unfortunately, I'm in handcuffs and I can't really see. So.
Okay, there's three. Trust me.
Okay, well, that girl needs to go to jail because she hurt
Right.
me.
So both of your complaints right now are being dealt with.
Please, I'm asking you, sir. Can I please like go
You
sit
want
on
to
the
sit on the
sidewalk?
sidewalk right there?
Or can I sit like up there or
No,
something?
you can sit right on the
The
sidewalk.
All right, all right.
Ready?
I got it. I'm unfortunately I'm not doing this.
You want to sit right here? Sit on the grass. Sit on the
Y'all, they're friends.
Sit on the ground.
Oh, are these your friends, sir?
Sit on the grass.
How do your hood friends feel? They
Can you take a seat,
They
please?
hate you. They ain't got damn piece of respect for you.
I love him.
Yeah, I love him
Yeah,
too.
all right.
You're the only one who doesn't. That's fine with
Yeah,
us.
that's for show. That is for mother sure.
What do you want me to tell the fire department?
The fire department?
Yeah. What's your complaint?
Jesus Christ, that this girl assaulted me.
No,
I need to
not
be
that.
checked out.
You wanted them before. What's
That's
your
number
complaint?
one. I feel like I'm having a seizure because I've not taken my medication yet. It's early in the morning.
Okay,
I've not taken my medication yet.
that's fine. Do you know what kind of meds you take? Because they're gonna ask.
You can ask Nikki. They're in my purse.
Okay. You want me to go get your purse from Nikki? So I can show the fire department the pills?
I mean, you're not gonna let me grab it and take it. Nikki can get it. She's in there. And I need some damn water.
Sure they'll have it.
I'ma get you. I'ma get you. Trust and believe I'ma get you. From inside the jail, I'ma get you. Okay.
This is a nice neighborhood. Can you relax?
Yeah.
We don't need the.
Her need to go to jail. Like what the
No,
hell?
Boca's dealing with that.
Yeah, she been stalking me for months.
Okay, well, Boca's
Crazy.
dealing with that.
Yeah, Boca ain't for the Jews because Boca doesn't know how to do. So, sir, can you please ask my friend to get me some water and my medication? That is it.
If you could calm down,
I'm calm. You see, I'm calmer than before, right?
what you were doing 3 seconds ago isn't calm. Listen, let the fire department check you out. You wanted them here, and then we will deal with your medication. Okay? And some water.
I gotta need my medication now.
Okay, that's fine. But let fire rescue check you out first.
You gotta stop yelling.
Hi. What's going on?
Somebody hit me in the back of my head with some type of, I don't know if it was a fist or if it was some type of other object, but I feel dizzy and I feel like I'm gonna have a seizure. I just feel really straight. I feel really weak.
Okay.
And I probably have a knot.
Okay, we can definitely check the back of your head and check your vitals, okay? Yeah, can I get some info from you? Or do you have your ID?
Yeah, it's, if you could take out my run if you want. It's, if you could feel higher. It's right there. Right there. It hurts. It hurts. It hurts bad. It hurts.
So, you got the bump on your head, your blood pressure's great, your oxygen is great, your heart rate's a little high for someone that's just sitting down.
She was a little elevated before you guys got here.
Yeah?
To say the least.
A little worked up? Okay.
A little bit. Just a little bit.
Yeah, because I just got my somebody let you let him go. That's crazy. I'll let it. Alright.
So, listen, at the end of the day, we can only do so much here in terms of checking
And
you
I felt
out.
like I was having a seizure on the inside of the car because it was hot and I was screaming, but whatever. I really just need my medication from inside. But I know no one's going to give it to me, so that's fine. So I guess y'all were called over on you for nothing. Have a good day. Give it to McDonald's. I'll go to them and don't take me to jail or whatever, dude. I'm ready to go. Because y'all are not going to take the right people to jail. Well, I'm supposed to go to jail, but y'all are not going to take the people to jail. That's crazy.
Hey.
And she hit Nikki.
Ma'am,
which is crazy.
Boca
Yes.
PD is working on that.
Oh
We
my-
have nothing to do with that.
Okay, well, they just drove away.
What do you mean? They're right there. They're on the other side of the ambulance.
Okay, well, they need to check her knuckles or whatever weapon she has in the car. Because I have a big like, bro, in the head. You kidding?
Okay.
Okay, so Stephanie, right now, obviously we're limited in what we can see, right? Your
Yeah.
heart rate's elevated, but the PD officer says it's obviously hot out, right? You're a
And
little
I'm
worked up.
screaming,
Yeah. So we can't see if you've got anything going on internally with getting hit in the head.
I'm dehydrated.
Thank you.
That's not going to work. I don't know. Oh, okay.
Sir, since you've been the nicest one to
You're going to come with me in the car, okay?
Okay, I'm just saying, may I please take like 2 hits of a cigarette and maybe get my medication, please? Because the medication is important. It's early in the morning. I was just about to leave, and this girl was stalking me. Oh, so I'm guessing she didn't get arrested. Oh, okay.
So listen, hear me out, okay?
Yeah.
We're not doing anything else in this neighborhood. The
Except-
neighbors are already
except for taking
watching.
me to jail. Gotcha.
Well, listen, you're going to come in the car, okay? I got you your water. I'm trying to be nice, all right?
Yeah.
With all the games we just played, we're not doing the cigarette thing right now, but just be cool with us. Drink your water. Let me get you up there, all right? And there's a medical staff there. If you need any medication for seizures and stuff, they got
They're not
everything.
going to give me there, so
Okay,
that's
well,
fine.
I'm pretty sure they asked, and your friend was saying she doesn't see any seizure medication. So I don't know if there was none in there, or maybe you left it in another house.
In the end, Stephanie was charged with failing to appear in court and resisting arrest. She was sentenced to time served and a fine. This case is a perfect example of how a simple investigation can spiral when there are outstanding legal issues. What do you think of the officer's patience in this video? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into these real life encounters. Thank you for watching.